Today I am going to teach you English class 6 lesson 5th a different kind of school। एक भिन्न प्रकार का विद्यालय है। इसका एक पैराग्राफ मैंने कुछ क्लियर किया था और उसके आगे का मैं क्या है पढ़ने जा रहा हूँ, ध्यान से सुनिएगा। There are some very beautiful grounds, I said, and a number of joy children's. It hurts me thought to see that they are not all the healthy and the active looking. When I come in, I found one poor little girl being led about. She has some problem with her eyes. Now I can see two more with the same problems, and there a girl with a crutch, seen the other to play. The appears to be the hopeless cripples. Miss Beam laughed. Oh no, she said. She is not actually lame. This is only her day to be lame. The girls are not blind either. It is only their day to be blind. It must have looked very surprised for this laughed again. This is a very important part of our system. To make our children's experience and understand misfortune, we make them share for the misfortune too. Each trim every child has no blind day, the one lame day, one deaf day, one injured day, and the one dumb day. That the time to blind day, their eyes are the bandaged fully, and they are know their honor, not a peep. The bandage is a put on the overnight to stay get up blind. This means that child's required help with the everything. Other children are the assigned with her duty to help them, the leading them about. They are experienced too much, and both are blind the helper. There is no secret about the Miss Beam kept describing. Everywhere, everyone is very kind, and it is really something to gain before the day end thought. Even the most thoughtfulness child has the felt what a misfortune it the blind day. The children say to course really the best, but some of the children tell me that the dumb day in the headest. We are not allowed to bandage to children mouth, so they have to use their willpower. Come into the garden and look for the yourself how the children feel about it. So ये 3 से 4 पैराग्राफ मैंने पढ़ा दिया, जो शेष बचा हुआ उसको मैं कल पढ़ाऊँगा। थैंक यू।